Well, here we are at Volcanoes National Park. The Kilauea Overlook has been repaired, and that's where I'm heading. But right now I'm taking pictures here at the Visitor Center because I've never seen anything like this. To begin with, in the background, you'll see the site of Mauna Loa. It is so clear. There's no fog. We're not getting any emissions out of volcanoes, so the air is beautiful. But look at this. There's no one here. The place is empty. I think most of these cars are actually just staff. Well, I forgot to bring my windsock dead cat with here on the microphone. Boy, it's a windy up here. I put my baseball hat over the mic. We'll see how that works for sheltering. Well, here we are, right at the rim. That's Kilauea down here, and further down, Halemauhumau. That's where the lake's forming, but we can't see it right now. Sure is a beautiful day. My goodness. What a beautiful day. Still can't see the lake. I don't think I've ever seen that landscape to the west without fog sitting on it. It usually looks like the end of the world or something. The air is actually clean for a change. Volcano Observatory. I guess that's been broken. I don't think they have that operating yet. And the museum is over there too. And I guess all that's still all broke up. So down there in Halemauhumau, there is a lake. It is, I guess, the size of 8 football fields. I think it's supposed to be about 500 feet deep, and it's pretty warm, like 150 degrees or so. It'll scald your hands. We can't see it from here. You have to use a drone or a helicopter because it's so far down the hall. So right now everything is sleeping, and if it ever decided to wake up here again, that lake is going to be something else, because the steam explosion that comes from it is just going to be absolutely insane. I'll be surprised if it damages the town of Volcano. Yeah, this is special. Currently I am using my mask for a windsock on my microphone because there's nobody here. I am here in the national park on the rim of Kilauea caldera, and there's no one else here. It's COVID, and I don't have to wear a mask in public because we are alone. It's just me and Ellen. And I see this area right over here. See that ridge? That's a slump. That was, it used to be the floor of Kilauea, and it looks like it dropped about 100 feet or 50 feet here during the eruption. A lot of slumping going on, man. Stuff's all sliding down a hole.
See, look. Hey, it's the Green Garden guy doing a selfie in the national park without a mask. And why is that? Because there's no one here. No one. There's no one.
Oh, there's a ranger. Oh, there's Ellen. Oh my goodness, this doesn't happen too often that we can actually see Mauna Kea from here. Clearly clouds and stuff. There's the observatories, there's the mountain. Cool. It is so clear today. You know, we're up about 4,000 feet here. The radiation's pretty good on my earlobes. I'm going to get a sunburn.